you start talking first.
All right. I feel that this is totally unjustified. She gave me the green light. I did nothing. Do you think I can't see you in the TV set?
All right, Monica, if there is something that you would like to share...
You know, you had no right to go out with him. That is the most ridiculous... You sold me out. I did not say you did. You absolutely sold me. Did you just flick me? Okay, well, you wouldn't let me finish, and I was just... Ow, that hurt. Quit flicking. Ow! You flicked me first. Ow! Oh. Let's not do this. Let's... You want. Okay. Oh, that's what you want. Yes. Fine.
There we go. You know what? If we were in prison, you guys would be like my bitches.
Sorry. Say it. Say it. Oh, right. Rachel, you say you're sorry. Or your sweater gets it. Okay, that is my favorite sweater. That is my third date sweater. Say you're sorry. Okay, you want to play? Okay, let's play. What are you going to do? You give me back my sweater or it's handbag marinara? You don't have the guts. Oh, yeah? Well, at least I wasn't too chicken to tell some guy I thought he was cute. Oh! All right, stop the madness!
This is crazy. Who can even remember why you started fighting in the first place?
She knew that I joined my band. She wouldn't have thought I was getting that first.
Yes, that's right. But still, look at your purse. Look at your sweater. Look at yourselves. I'll help you fix your sweater.
I'll help you throw out your purse.
I'm sorry that I made you stop seeing him.
Well, I'm sorry I went out with him when I knew you liked him.
I'm sorry that I borrowed your gloves.